How can I clean up the fan? Using this rifle cleaning kit, it costs around 20 euros on Amazon. We can go on each blade and clean the dust between a blade and the next one. After the cleaning, we need to turn on the fan to push out all the dust inside the fan. During this operation, it's better to not have the air dome mounted and not have any person on the court, because this operation will blow out a lot of dust. This is all for today. I hope this video was helpful. If you have doubts or questions, down in the comment or on our website. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.